This one is for Anna. This is application of a toner. This is not the other videos that you see that are all about root touch-up that usually involves some gray. What we're doing with someone like Anna's hair is she's blonde. She's had it lightened out really blonde. And right now, can't really maintain that, so we're stepping it back a step at a time. A deeper blonde with a bit more color to it. Still blonde, but certainly not the ultra light blonde that she's had. So this is a bit of a color journey for Anna. This particular style of coloration has to have some filler in it because we're deepening it from a lightness. Actually, in the comments when I post this to Facebook, if Anna doesn't mind, she gave me a little pic of what her hair looks like, and I'll post that so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this isn't particularly dealing with gray coverage. This is making a really light blonde a little deeper blonde. So I'm going to show you how that happens. I happen to be the model that I have. So since my roots are already touched up, and a toner or a deposit coloration like this, it's not going to change your root area. It's meant to change the lighter hair to impart a different tone. So you can work fairly quickly. Let your hair fall where it naturally parts, and you've mixed the cream color and you've mixed it with the cream peroxide that you have in your kit, and you can be fairly generous with moving right across the part. You don't need to take lots of time. This will deposit fairly quickly because it's on quite a light base. So I'm not going to be small sections as you would be if you're concerned with covering gray. This is to get color on root to mid shaft fairly quickly. So I'm going to move like a ½ inch parting and then moving it up. Anna's got a great haircut that Kim Stevenson did. She's got it really short on the sides, not like what I've got. So she'll be faster at this than I am. Her hair is very short, and she doesn't need to apply the toner where it's just hasn't been lightened. This is for where her hair has been lightened. So, and you can see for yourself, go where you see it's really light. It doesn't matter if you hit the roots. This isn't going to change your roots. This is just going to make your blonde have more color to it. Still blonde, and maybe you want to keep it there. That's fine. Or maybe the next color kit that you buy, you want to go a little deeper still, that can be done as well. And I would suggest, the longer this isolation thing goes on, you might as well play with your color a little bit. It's pretty easy to go a little bit deeper each time. Maybe you want to go a little redder. You're going to find initially taking really hair that's been lightened out, really blonde, I have to replace the Goldie tones. You're going to find your first blonde result that I back it up to. I can only back it up a few shades at a time, or you're going to end up with a tone of green. So that's why we back it up slowly, and we add golds and reds. So it's going to be an ambery blonde, and maybe for the summer you want to keep it that shade. That's just fine. So you can see I'm leaving the ends out, which is what I want you to do. Your ends, since they've been lightened, they're fragile, they're very porous. They're going to grab your toner faster than you want them to. So you want to do this area, and you can, now, if you're doing gray coverage, you got to be careful. This is not gray coverage. So I'm going to go straight across, and Anna, if you've got somebody to help you there, that would be great. If you don't, get the mirror out and have a look and make sure that you're not involving your ends right away. Come straight across. Try to hit it close to the root area because